We have some breaking news from Tesla Giga Texas about the first new Tesla Model Y vehicles spotted at Gigafactory Texas. Do you remember that last week I filed several reports in which I said that from what we see, Tesla Giga Texas has already started the production at Gigafactory Texas. Today we're seeing the first new Tesla fresh Model Ys at Gigafactory Texas, and we're going to take a look at them very closely. Welcome back, friends. This is Armin Harian from TalkNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story. So fresh batch of new Tesla Model Y vehicles built at Gigafactory Texas were recently spotted at Giga Texas in Austin, the electric vehicle manufacturer's new headquarters. Speculations suggest, reports Teslarati, that these sightings could be one of the first fresh batches of Model Ys produced at Giga Texas. I like the color, I like the look. While there were only a few Model Ys, the sightings hint at least trial production has started at Giga Texas. The latest developments actually align with WebBush analyst Dan Ives' estimate earlier last week, this month, so that the Tesla Giga Texas would start Model Y production in the next 7 to 10 days. He also stated that testing was nearly complete and Tesla was ready to get the green light for Giga Texas. I think they were then doing some paperwork. Tesla certainly seems more than ready to kick off Model Y production at Giga Texas. There have been quite a few exciting developments at the new Gigafactory since 2022 began on January 6. More solar panels from Longi Green Energy were seen on Giga Texas roof, as I reported earlier around that time. Last week, Giga Texas received a new batch of Giga Press deliveries for the Model Y. You can see, guys, all of those reports at Torque News YouTube channel. Tesla started Giga Press test back in May 2021, and a few photos of the Mega Casts were shared with the public. The Mega Casts looked identical to those used in the Model Y. Tesla also confirmed that it produced a few alpha prototypes of the Cybertruck, though there have been no sightings yet of deliveries pertaining to the vehicle's 8,000-ton Giga Press. Tesla Giga Texas is expected to start Model Y production soon. Tesla said its Q4 and FY 2021 earnings call for Wednesday, January 26, 2022. Elon Musk stated he would provide a production roadmap at the earnings call. Tesla may also provide an update on both Giga Texas and Giga Berlin during call. Now, Jeff Roberts, who often flies drones like Joe Techmeyer over Gigafactory Texas, shared a picture on a bunch of brand new Model Y vehicles charging at the factory. So credit for this picture goes to Jeff Roberts, and these Model Ys look brand new out of the factory, but it can't be confirmed that they were produced at Gigafactory Texas, albeit likely, or to what extent they were built there. So if you have more information about the situation with Gigafactory Texas Model Y or Giga Berlin Model Y or any other interesting Tesla info, friends, feel free to reach out to me through the contact information on our YouTube channel or our Twitter. Again, this is Armin Harian from TalkNews.com. I'll look forward to hearing your comments. What do you think about these images shared by Jeff Roberts, friends? And have a wonderful day. Please subscribe to our channel for the follow-ups on these and Giga Berlin and Tesla issues. And God bless you, everyone. Peace be with all of you. And give us thumbs up. Please like this video if you found this report helpful. I'll see you soon in our next report. Let's move on to our next Tesla story. This morning, we have a very interesting image from Tesla Giga Berlin's Model Y, which has a rare angle suggesting 4680 battery pack in the upcoming Model Y in Texas Giga Berlin. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armin Harian from TalkNews.com. If you are here the first time, please subscribe to our channel for breaking Tesla news every day and ring the bell so you don't miss my coverage, and give us thumbs up, please. We greatly appreciate it. So look at this very rare angle of Tesla Model Y built at Giga Texas. This image has been taken yesterday. It has no floor and therefore needs to have a structural battery pack body and likely come with 4680 battery cells, which are more advanced, more energy dense, and have more range. Tesla Giga Texas Chronicle, Joe Techmeyer, who has been documenting the construction of Tesla's Gigafactory in Austin, and Joe drives 180 miles 3 times a week both ways to document Tesla Giga Texas for all of us. So my respect to him. So yesterday shared this very unique angle of Tesla Model Y's body built at Giga Texas. It is very revealing. Joe shared this image and wrote a different angle on the test Model Y body delivered today at Giga Texas, 14th January 2022. Note, no floor, so structural battery pack body and likely with 4680s, meaning the battery. See my video on YouTube later today. Friends, I will have Joe's YouTube link in the description of this video. So I contacted Joe and asked his opinion on this. I wrote him, so you are saying that since it doesn't have floor, it will use the structural 4680 battery? Is it fair to assume that A, Tesla is test building cars for test purpose to test its systems at Giga Texas and they are with structural 4680 batteries, and B, that Tesla will bring these batteries from the Caddo Road facility next to the Fremont factory in California to produce Model Y with 4680 batteries until it starts producing those batteries at Giga Texas. Joe Techmeyer replied and said, yes, it is my understanding Giga Texas is preparing to make Model Ys with structural packs from the beginning and use batteries from Caddo Road initially until Giga Texas can make the cells at sufficient volume to take on the load. That makes very good sense, and I agree with Joe's reasoning. I asked him if he expected this situation continue until mid-year, and around mid-year Giga Texas will take the load in terms of 4680 battery production. Joe said that is my understanding too. I'm hoping we will get a better understanding of what Tesla intends on the 26th of June for factory status, production, timelines, and etc. So we're all looking forward to January 26th when Elon Musk speaks about these issues and we will have better idea. So look for that. Please, if you are here first time, subscribe to our channel because we're going to put our finger on the pulse of these developments and bring you the latest. If you look at our history, we bring 3 to 5 unique and breaking Tesla stories every day in this channel. So please subscribe to our channel, ring the bell so you don't miss my next coverage, and let me know what do you think about this rare and unique angle suggesting 4680 battery packs in Tesla Model Y, and how many 4680 battery packs do you think Caddo Road facility, which is not very big in Fremont, is able to build and supply Giga Texas until Giga Texas in mid 2022 is ready to take on the full load with full capacity. This is Armen Hareyan. Have a great day, friends. See you in my next Tesla report. God bless you and peace be with all of you. Let's move on to our next Tesla story. Tesla Giga Berlin factory will probably start its production in mid-February, not in January because January is almost gone, but in mid-February because of 2 events. The first is that judgment on water supply is expected in mid-February and a lot of things depend on that. Second is because Elon Musk said that he will probably visit the Gigafactory in mid-February, and the German public radio of Brandenburg RBB24 thinks that the visit may correspond with the start of production at Giga Berlin. Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Hareyan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news. Tesla boss Elon Musk wants to visit Berlin again. The multi-billionaire announced this on Tuesday night on the Twitter news service. Musk will most likely visit the Tesla factory Giga Berlin in Grünheide again, says RBB24 reports, and in his tweet Elon Musk contradicted rumors that he would be coming to Germany this week. Instead, he wants to travel to Berlin in mid-February. Yesterday, I also reported that Elon Musk may visit this week because one of the employees of the Giga Berlin said possibly this week, and also there were lots of rumors end of last week in the media that Elon would visit Gigafactory, in fact, this Sunday. But what I reported that he will probably be picked backed up by 2 Model Y vehicles produced at Giga Berlin. This will be a nice show of Model Y's quality in Giga Berlin. Now, when asked, Tesla did not comment on the reasons for the visit, reports RBB. It is likely that Musk will want to be there when the Tesla plant Giga Berlin in Grünheide starts the production. The second reason is that the administrative court in Frankfurt has set the date for the hearing on the increased water supply at the Eggersdorf waterworks that is going to supply water to Tesla Giga Berlin. As the court announced on Monday, yesterday, the oral hearing is to take place on February 11 at 9:30 a.m. Then the environmental associations NABU and Green League and the State Office for the Environment face each other. The judgment could affect the water supply of the planned Tesla Gigafactory in Grünheide. The associations are suing against increase of the flow of rate of the Eggersdorf waterwork. The Strasbourg-Erner Water Association pump a large part of its water there. About 3.8 million cubic meters come out of the ground there every year. The electric car manufacturer Tesla needs about a third of it. Should the verdict be in favor of the environmental associations, says RBB24, the Water Association WSC, according to its own statement, may no longer be able to guarantee the complete supply of the Tesla factory in the first expansion stage. But since it is expected that the verdict will be in favor, there is a lot of water apparently. This is why Elon Musk probably thinks to visit mid-February, because that's a very likely time that Tesla Giga Berlin will be approved and given the start of production. So what do you think, friends? Let me know in the comment section your thoughts. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news. Ring the bell so you don't miss my coverage, and give us thumbs up, please. Like this video, share in social media, guys. I would really appreciate that. And let's move on to our next Tesla story. God bless you and your families. See you soon in our next story.